Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a Bloxburg house tour. Now my house is very small, but it has a lot of decoration. Well, kinda. And I put a lot of effort in it, so do not judge, please. And this house was around $30,000, and if you want to rebuild this house, you may, but let's get started. So this is my house. It is small, of course, but I kind of like small builds. So here is my car, here is my trees, here's another tree, and then here we have the little dining area. I forgot to color this, and yeah, here is my, I'm gonna say ABC because I want to be a mom. Here is my couch, and here's my TV. It's basically a small living room. It's very cute. And I had the traditional. Here's the kitchen. Again, it's very small. Here's the little, sleeping area. You can sleep. Here is the bathroom. Very cute. And here's my small backyard. Now, that's it. Now, can you like, subscribe, and yeah. Bye. Oops. Bye.